My name is David Crocker from Gardiner, Maine. I'm a former client of Joe Bornstein, and I was very satisfied with the service. I was working at Togus, and I was lifting bales of cardboard. Injured my rotor cup. My left rotor cup was already injured, and I injured my right rotor cup. So I had no use of either shoulder. Togus put me out on disability, and I could no longer work. And I put in for my Social Security disability, and I was denied. I called Joe Bornstein's office and told them that I would like to have them represent my case. After I visited the first time, I felt very confident that I had a good chance of winning my appeal. I felt that they was going to do the best they could. Obviously, if they're not going to get paid unless they win, they're going to go all out for you. And they did. And not only did they do that, but they kept me informed each step of the way of what was going on. Whenever I had a question, I'd call the Augusta office and Dr. Carey and take my question, and she didn't answer right there on the spot, which she usually did. She would get back to me and answer it, and I always had an answer I was satisfied with. My attorney's name is Dave. We sat down. He described some of the questions he thought they may ask me. He told me not to be nervous. He told me to tell them the truth, not to exaggerate, and to be respectful of the judge. And I was all of those. I felt that by talking to him up front, that he really put me at ease. And I think they did work very, very hard to get my case approved. I want to thank you for taking on my case. Your law office is well organized. Gal here, Karen, took so good care of me. She obviously went the extra mile. I know she did the legwork that won my case, and I thank her for that, and I thank you for having her as your employee.
The law offices of Joe Bornstein, Maine lawyers working for Maine people. There is one number you need to know. It's Call Joe.